check out our newest feature release, Live Chat. So what is Live Chat? Well, we're now introducing Live Chat, which is a game-changing addition to our CRM that empowers you to engage with website visitors in real time, offering instant assistance and elevating customer satisfaction. So why does this matter and how is it going to help you in your business? Well, this is going to allow you to bridge the gap between users and your audience with immediate assistance at your users' fingertips. You're going to be able to reduce response times, elevate engagement, and deliver exceptional customer experiences. Easily fine-tune the chat widget's appearance and personalize its elements just like before, such as an avatar, color scheme, branding, or even that introductory message. So let me show you exactly where this feature is if you're not already familiar with it. First, we want to go ahead and configure the live chat widget. Go ahead and go to Sites, and when the upper navigation opens up, make sure that you're under the chat widget. And now click Live Chat. Now you're going to go ahead and personalize your chat widget. Colors, what it says, all of the good stuff. After you've saved that, you're going to obtain the chat widget code by clicking on Get Code. This is what the code looks like. You're going to go ahead and click on Copy the code. Next, you need to go into your website builder, or if you're using another system, you'll have a special place to place this document. Now you're going to go ahead and go back to Sites, into Websites, or into Funnels, and you're going to click on the funnel or website you'd like to edit and click Edit. Now you're going to choose a page to edit, and with the custom JavaScript element, you're going to be able to paste that code. Now open the code editor and paste in the code. Save and preview your new live chat. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.